How's it going, everybody? Today we have Evil Clown by Cutting Edge Fireworks, 16 shot. Small cake. This was I think it was $4 exactly from American Wholesale Fireworks. Here's the performance. And it is a green comet tail to white glitter with crackling. All right. Well, I'm a sucker for comets. And yeah, plugs are pretty much up there. It's got some nice weight to it. Well, let's get out there and see how it performs. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like the video, please light up that like button. All right, let's check it out. All right, Evil Clowns. All right, that was Evil Clowns, guys.